Before you even think about placing an order on Harrison and Grace Charleston, you might want to hear this first because what I found while researching this store might save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Harrison and Grace Charleston has been popping up online lately, catching attention with stylish products, attractive discounts, and a clean-looking website that gives the impression of a modern and trustworthy brand. At first glance, everything seems fairly normal. The product images look polished, the pricing appears competitive, and the store layout feels similar to many legitimate online boutiques. But once the research goes deeper, a few things start standing out that shoppers should definitely pay attention to. Looking through customer feedback across different platforms shows a mix of experiences rather than a clear positive or negative pattern. Some buyers claim they received their orders and were satisfied with the items, while others mention longer than expected shipping times or difficulty getting responses from customer support. Another point worth noting is that the store's online presence outside of its website is somewhat limited, which can sometimes make it harder to verify the full credibility of a newer e-commerce brand. Certain product listings also raise questions because similar items appear on other online stores with different branding, which is fairly common in the dropshipping world but still something shoppers should be aware of. At the same time, the website itself does include typical e-commerce elements like policy pages and contact information, which suggests some level of structure rather than a completely anonymous operation. So, based on everything uncovered during this research, Harrison and Grace Charleston sits somewhere in the middle. It doesn't clearly scream scam, but it also doesn't show enough strong signals to confidently label it as a fully established and trusted store either. The safest approach is to stay cautious, double-check details before ordering, and avoid spending more than you're comfortable risking until the brand builds a stronger and more transparent reputation online.